Good morning, College Now instructors. I'm here to talk to you about your St. Vrain net access. I had to stop and think about the name of their network. Sorry about that. And I'm just going to very quickly go through how to do that. So let me get, I lost one of my items here. Cool. So I have on the screen where you need to go to do your initial login. And so if you could please go to, you've gotten a bunch of information from me in the email you're looking at. If you could go to this website, and you're going to, for your username, use your last name underscore first name, all lowercase, as you see typed in here. And then your password is a little bit complicated, but it consists of a capital S as in Sam, a lowercase v, or I guess I should say capital S as in Saint, a lowercase v as in Vrain, and this is the 7-digit number that I provided you in your email. That's your employee number in the St. Vrain School District. Each time you are a College Now instructor, you'll receive that same employee ID number that provides you access to the network. And then the last item here you see is an exclamation point, so that's what I have typed in here. You'll click login. And then the next step will be that you confirm that password one more time, that same capital S, lowercase v, 7-digit employee number that's in the email I sent you, followed by an exclamation point. So you'll confirm that one time, then you'll be asked to set up a new password, which you should record because I won't have access to that. And then the system will ask you to do some security questions. So the security questions are for if you forget your password, the security questions will be asked, and if you answer correctly, then you'll be able to set up your new password. But of course, if you have any problems at all, you see here that you can contact the SVVSD help desk at 303-702-7730. All right, so that's it. If you have any questions about anything, please contact me. If you have any technical questions, I would contact the help desk to get logged into the network. And the last thing that I will say is that I know a few of you may have been asking students to log in to St. Vrain Net if you're using the MacBook that Erie High School, for instance, has provided, or if any of the other high schools have provided computers. I know a lot of you are taking your own. A word that if you're okay using your own computer, you have more access to videos. I know that when I, in the past, have taught in the St. Vrain schools, that when I've tried to show videos, I am blocked from certain web pages. YouTube is blocked sometimes. TED is usually not blocked. So if you want to avoid having videos blocked, especially if you're wanting to show those during class, you might want to avoid logging into St. Vrain Net, because I know they are pretty strict about what websites get blocked for their students, and the instructors get blocked from certain things as well. So just wanted to give you that caution, and if you have any questions, again, please contact me. Thanks a lot.